I hope you didn't believe it, right? We're all fine. That was just a little introduction.
Welcome to my vlog.
Good morning. Welcome to the first day of my vlog. I've been staying in this house for 2 days, which explains why I look like this. So today I'm gonna be taking you through my day. Let's undo these braids, go shower, look all put up together, put on my treatment for the acne, which is the reason why I look this dark. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you through my day, so hope you're gonna enjoy and like it. Let's go to the next step. Just done unbraiding. I just need to find what to do. I just know I'm just gonna do a high puff, like those puffs, you know. Yeah, because I don't have time to comb my hair. Ready to go. We're matching. Let's go. D'abord, croque dans le chocolat. Can't go without eating my tea. Food is essential for good health. I just grabbed my 2 sisters from school. Now we're going home. Hello guys, this is day 2. I couldn't finish to film day 1, but let me catch up. So yeah, today we're going to town. It's Saturday. We're going to town. Au revoir. Heaven, say bye. Cutie. So I just got some food. Une petite tarte aux fraises, un smoothie à la fraise. Tune tune. Now I'm back home, about to go play tennis. I don't know if it's still early enough for us to go for tennis, but I hope so. It's actually very hard to vlog, like seriously, it's hard, especially when you're driving. It's really hard, but ooh, cutie, you need to take a shower. Right? You need to take a shower. It smells so bad. Hello, miss. Where are you driving us? D'où quoi? You. We throwing judgment like Randy. No please forgive me for hating on people beside me. Yeah, that wasn't right in me. Shout out to Rich, shout out to Pat. All of the ones that's watching my back. Reporter sleeping. So here we are. I'm at Roca Golf, and I was supposed to go for tennis, but it's too late. We're not going. No, it's too late. We're not going. There's no way. Mind you, we were supposed to come for tennis, but we're eating because the place is so beautiful. I love it, and I bet they have the best food in Rwanda. nashaka abantu tutse murantumira to this kind of places. This is the kind of place I'm aspiring to come in, you know, on a daily basis. Like for a brunch, for, you know, not once in a while.
Hi, I'm Zoe. You're not welcome on the channel. We really appreciate your support. I did it. Followers. No, bro, I have 100 followers now. Seriously? One day, yeah. It's really making me happy. I'm very grateful. It really touched my heart. You guys don't know how I keep on checking.
One day it's
I keep on reading your comments, everything. It touches my heart so much to know that you watch my stuff.
You have to say me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi Tracy's YouTube. How are you, Tracy's YouTube? I look very like dark.
Dark skin girl.
Your skin is like pearls.
Pearls are white, my dear. This
Dark
skin just
skin
like amakara.
Let me see if it
You need
works.
some light skin.
Ethan, it does.
I need to know if it works.
They don't. These people, they're very negative. They don't want me to succeed in this
That's what I'm
YouTube
putting for
thing.
you, light.
They are Nathan.
Show my phone.
You see, it's now raining. There's no way I can go for tennis. But we have some other plans. Grace, where are you? Grace. Grace, the light's not. Oh, yes, we have Nathan too.
Yo.
I'm taking my siblings to eat, especially this one. I'm going to feed her. I'm very busy calculating here because my brain very slow to calculate. I'm cool. You care about me through the dark when I lose the way. Jesus, you won't let go. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Did you see the time I woke up at? Did you see? It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and to dimanche, I'm not singing in the choir, and I'm awake. The most responsible I have, it's me. It's me. So I'm apologizing, co-age. I didn't finish the vlog, but today I'm gonna try catch up. I'm doing the same thing that I said yesterday. You can catch up. But this time I'm gonna try to be serious. Heaven. So let's get ready for church, then we go for church, then yeah, you come with me. Get ready. Ooh, who's that? Who's that? Looks very nice, right? Debutante, but I'm learning how to do makeup. So
Yes! Hi, the vlog. Hi, she wanted to be in the vlog. Yes. She's forcing. She wants to be in the vlog.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tracy Joy YouTube channel.
Joy.
Yes. They are friends. Aho kuja mw'isengero Dreye aguma avuga ngo she wants to come in the car. Which kind of example? And me, I follow her. Because I'm a kid.
This is not my car. Because you are.
I'm only 9.
9 money. So you get.
Why are they looking at us? When I lose the way. This it's very hot, and I wish I had money. You know, kugura ka drink. We are broke.
I'm not broke.
I'm not broke.
I'm not broke. I have my money, you know.
Guys, move. It's very important. Move out of your comfort zone. Have faith. Yeah. Abraham, leave your father's house for you to become Abraham. Gary.
Abraham.
Leave it for real. On the samosa place, because you know it's my place of the moment. So yeah, we have 50 of them. Only the 5 of us. We're eating 50. Thank you, Nathan. Hello. Now I'm from church. We at church. Then we went to the samosa place. Now we're at home. I don't know if I have anything else to do today so that I can vlog. I know I'm gonna go like somewhere else, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog. But my outfit was very good, right? Let me show you the outfit. And I don't know if you can see from here. There are the flare pants. I'm gonna some rings and a watch, a necklace, beautiful hoops, golden. And I did some makeup. You see, like, we'll be flexing. So I don't know if you saw my pants, guys. You have to see them. They're very nice, flare pants. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed being with us, with me, and all the people I was with at different times. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever, you get me? But you know, oh my god, I love this color and everything about it. And I'm smelling very good. I got Victoria's Secrets. Ooh. Yeah. Bye. Have a good day, a blessed day. Enjoy whatever you're gonna be doing, and surpassez-vous en fait. Surpassez-vous. Don't let fear stop you, because me, I've let fear stop me for too long, and it has led to very bad decisions in my life of not doing what I love, like this vlogs, this YouTube channel, and this new thing that I have started. I should have done it way long, like before, but I couldn't because fear was there. One thing, do not entertain fear, make no room for it, period. Bye.